Good morning, lovelies. My product review this week is the little mushroom. Mushrooms of all types are absolutely amazing, but I want to read you something from a book written by the surgeon, Dr. Christy Funk, who is Angelina Jolie's surgeon. And this book is amazing. It's just full of basically how to reduce your risk of cancer, but it also applies to all of us on, how to prevent cancer, but also how to be as healthy as possible. Now listen to this. The button mushrooms carry the highest estrogen blocking abilities of all those mushrooms and inhibit an enzyme, aromatase, which normally converts precursors of estrogen to its cancer-causing active form. So this amazing mushroom is something that I would just encourage you to try and eat on a weekly basis. So, when we talk about vegetables, we do include the mushroom in the vegetables, but I will often say I would love you to eat the carby vegetables, the cruciferous vegetables, the green leafy vegetables, and then pluck on the end the mushrooms, because they are just almost like in a category of their own. And I would encourage you to cook them. There is a slightly toxic, it's really mild, so don't worry if there's some in your salad and you happen to eat some. But on the whole, it is recommended that you cook the mushrooms just even ever so slightly, and that just dissolves any of that toxicity. So how can you get some mushrooms into your weekly menu plan? Talk to you soon.